solve exercise 2.3, which is based on word problems on multiplication of fraction. So let us do 2.3. Question number A. Question number A is tick mark the correct answer. So first example is 1/3 of an amount is rupees 1500. Then 1/5 of the amount is, first option is rupees 600. Second option is rupees 900. Third option is rupees 1200. And last option is rupees 1000. So let's find the answer of this question. So here explanation is, so see here question, 1/3 of an amount is rupees 1500. That means first we have to convert this sentence into symbolic form. Okay, so first write down this 1/3 as it is. Okay, so write down here 1/3. But we know that here of means multiplication. That means we have to put middle sign multiplication. So now in this example, amount is not given. So we have to consider amount as a x. Okay, now is means we have to put equal to sign. After that is, which one is here? Rupees 1500. So write down here 1500, right? So now this is the symbolic form of this sentence. Now we know that the concept of multiplication of fraction. So here the denominator of x is not given, right? So in that case we have to put here denominator 1. So what is the multiplication here? We have to multiply these two, right? That means first one is x, first one is 1, second one is x. That means 1 into x, answer is x. And what is the multiplication of denominator? 3 into 1, answer is 3. So write down here multiplication of this numerator is 1 into x, answer is x, and denominator is 3. Okay, now the next step is x is equal to 1500 into 3. So see here the sign between this x and 3 is division, right? But in the left hand side. So we have to shift this 3 to the right hand side. In that case we have to change the sign, right? So in left hand side the sign between x and 3 is division, but here in the right hand side we have to change the sign. That means we have to put the opposite sign. So here opposite sign of this division, that is multiplication. So that's why you have to write down here middle sign multiplication. Now 1500 into 3, what is the answer here? 4500, right? So here x is equal to 4500. Now so this x means what here? Amount. Okay, so now we have to calculate this. That means 1/5 of the amount. So again we have to consider in symbolic form, right? So here we have to calculate here 1/5 of the amount is, what is the amount? Okay, so see here symbolic form. 1/5 you have to write down as it is. Of means multiplication, and here amount. Amount here, what is the amount here? 4500. So write down here 4500. So this is the symbolic form of this sentence. Okay, so calculate here 1/5 into 4500. So we know that in fifth table 45 is there, right? So 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45. So we have to put 2 zeros. So what is the answer here? 900. Okay, so what is the here correct answer? So therefore then 1/5 of the amount is Option number B, rupees 900. So this is the answer of question number 1. So now let's solve next example. If 5 divided by 8 of a number is 75, then the number is, first option is 80, second option is 105, third option is 120, fourth option is 140. So let's find the answer of this question. So here explanation is 5 by 8 of a number is 75. So again we have to convert this sentence into symbolic form. So what is the symbolic form? We have to write down 5 by 8 as it is. Of means we have to put here middle sign multiplication. Number, in this example, number is not given. So we have to consider here x, which is equal to 75. So again same concept here, multiplication of fraction, right? So denominator of x is not given. So 5 into x, what is answer? 5x. 8 into 1, what is answer? 8. So next step is 5x upon 8, which is equal to 75. Now we have to shift this 8 to the right hand side. Okay. So what is the middle symbol here between 5x and 8? That is division. So we have to shift this 8 to the right hand side. At that time we have to put middle sign multiplication. That means we have to change the sign. So next step is 5x, which is equal to 75 into 8. Okay. Now again same concept. Here sign between this 5 and x, that is multiplication. So we have to shift this 5 to the right hand side. So at that time we have to change the sign. So what is the next step here? X is equal to 75 into 8 divided by 5. Okay. Because in the left hand side the sign between 5 and x is multiplication. So that's why we have to divide this 5. That means we have to change the sign of this 5. So we know that here in 5's table 75 is there. So here 5 ones are 5. 15 5's are 75. Right? So which are the remaining numbers here? X is equal to 15 into 8. So 15 8's are how much it is? 120. So what is the answer of this question? So your answer is option number C, 120. So this is the answer of question number 2.